We're unboxing the Live Your Message Live participant box. So I think it's like $200 to attend this virtual event. She holds it every year. And as far as I know, it's the exact same every year. And I missed a few sessions last year because it was live. And then the recordings you can't get unless you join one of her like long-term coaching programs. Anyways, we're going to open up this box, even though it says to wait until the day of the actual event. So if that is something you want to wait for, stop playing this video right now. Otherwise, I'm just going to open up everything. Plus, I'm a minimalist. I like to clear off the area. And I'm also a rebel. No, really, I'm a rebel. I took the Gretchen Rubin's 4 Tendencies quiz. I'm a rebel, so I do have problems following directions. So because of that, we aren't going to follow the directions. We're just going to open up everything. I'm going to decide what to keep and then toss the rest so there's no clutter laying around. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every day. All right, let's open this up. All right, we're going to actually just take the whole contents of this and just dump it. Or actually, I lie. There's crinkle paper. We don't want that on the floor because I will have to pick that up, especially once Lucky gets into it. He'll be like crazy over the packaging. So I think this is a mug, which do I need another mug? We don't even use the mugs that we have. I think it's the same mug from last year. Live your message every day. And it has, I don't know what that is, a pie chart with some cartoon characters on it. So, all right, so we got a mug and we got a do not open. We have a plastic duck. Start with just one duck, so that must be the theme for this year. If I had a dog, I would keep this. Although if I had a big dog, he might eat it, so maybe not. Let's see what else is in here. I think that's it. I feel like there's way less stuff this year than there was last year, but that could just be my imagination. All right, so we have flags. We have a yellow, an orange, and a green flag. They must mean something. And we have a pen, ballpoint pen. We have a dry erase marker. And it looks like we have a do not open. I'm doing it. So it's a postcard. And we have a door. I'm busy saving the world. And let's see. And we have the book. So we're going to compare this to last year and see if that's any different. I'll flip that open for you. And I got this last year, and I think this is the same. Yep, the message, live your message, message to money pathway. And so this is what the dry erase marker is for. Oops, in that screen. And I think that's it. Yep, it's just a piece of cardboard paper. So let's go ahead and do a comparison of 2021 versus 2022. So right off the bat, if you're wondering the physical differences, they both had the plastic coil. Last year had tabs for day 1, 2, and 3. This year has no tabs, but it does have a shinier cover. It's silky and shiny and glossy. It's glossy. That's the word I'm looking for. It's glossy. So these must be pictures from last year that she put on for this year. There we go. Yep, same. I think it's the same dress. Okay, so let's see. Oh, I said I was going to compare them. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, so let's open this up. Because a business in motion tends to stay in motion. So I'm gonna guess it's all exactly the same. The quotes are the same. The inside cover is the same. Let's go ahead. I think maybe just the pictures were updated. Yeah, the message is the same. This just says 10th annual event dashboard, registration check-in. So the dates have been changed. Let's see. How to get the most
exercises and breakout.
I won't bore you by going page through page by this whole thing, but basically the only thing that was different, like I said, were the tab dividers. And she had changed the wording on one thing, which was your big altruistic why and then your big selfish why, versus last year it said your unreasonable goal. So otherwise, same message, same sort of programming, same process, which I don't think is a bad thing. I mean, especially if you didn't sign up for one of the coaching programs, then you couldn't watch any of the replays. And maybe you have a different business or a new perspective, or you just like listening to her live and wanted to go through it another time. All right, I hope everyone's having a fabulous, wonderful, amazing, and awesome day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.